Assalamualaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yes, how are you all?
Yes, I'm
I'm good.
fine. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also fine, great. Yes, Madiha, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good evening, Iram Rizvi. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fantastic, amazing. So everything is going well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you all got 4 days off. So you enjoyed a lot.
No, sir. I have work.
Okay, yes, you told you have lots of work. So,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. What about Mr. Hamdan and Madiha?
Yes, sir. I have also worked too much.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Hamdan is saying from tomorrow, 20 of August, he will not be present in the class because his examination is about to start. Yes, Mr. Hamdan.
Yes, yes.
So, from when?
1st of September.
Okay. Yes, so you can focus on the exam. Okay. And then after the examination, you can continue.
Yes.
Hmm. So should we wait more? Madiha, Hamdan, Iram Rizvi is there, and Sheikh Asif will not join, and Abdur Rahman, he has he is sick, and Sheikh Asif, Iram Khan. Let's check. Then we will start. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Sir, I have a request.
Okay.
Sir, can we change our timing because it going to be too late, like 11 o'clock. So I'm facing a little bit difficulty in
Okay.
my studies. Yes, sir.
Okay, we can do something. So, from the 24th of, yes, from 24th of August, like on Monday, our
Yes,
schedule
sir.
will change.
Yes, sir. Sir,
I
can
was
we
about to announce.
Uh, sir, if possible, can you adjust the time 6 to 7? I think it is favorable for all if they all are comfortable. I'm just
Not me
encouraging.
because I'm doing
As
some jobs. Can't able to join.
okay, okay, wait,
So
wait.
what about 7 to 8, 6, 7, or 7 to 8, something like this?
Okay, wait. So, as you all are aware, like I am working. Okay. So, I don't have lots of time. I have the timing only from, yes, that was the previous month's timing, 2:30 to 3:30. But this month we can do 2 to 3 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Yes, because I am not free. Like whatever the timing you are
Yes, sir.
saying, so I have to go to the office on that time. So I can't take the class on that time. So like this month I got the shift for the night shift, like 9:30 to 7 in the morning. But I changed the shift with my colleague. So I took the shift okay, 5:30 is best. So I can take. So our next month timing will be the same. I'm going to do it from 2 to 3:30 or 3:15, whatever the timing will go. So that
मैं
will be the
कैसे join
timing.
कर
Okay.
पाऊँ मैं कैसे join कर पाऊँगी फिर?
Okay, so if someone has any problem, so I don't have lots of option because I don't have hundreds of student in my academy. If I will have in the future, so I can create 2 batches. But now only you have one option. You have to join the class. Otherwise, if it is difficult for you, so you can watch on YouTube and follow the activities. That's all. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. Because I can't do anything, okay? Because I have only 8 to 10 students. So this is the time which we are following. In future, if I have more than 50, so I will create 2 batches. In the morning, which I am taking, and the second preferred in the evening. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, like this, the academies they are doing. So we will do in the future, inshallah. But now you
Inshallah.
have to manage it.
Okay,
Like,
sir.
yes, Madhyas is saying like I can't join the class. Okay, so I have only one option. If you are unable to join, please don't join. But if you are someone who is curious, so you have to follow the activities, and I am also uploading the entire class on YouTube, which if you have time you can watch the entire class and you can follow the activities. You are also going to grow. And sometime like any day, there is any day you have the time, so you can join like guest lecture or anything about it. Okay, so it is all about like the curiosity, how much curiosity you have. Like in the recording activity, most of the people are giving the excuses. Okay, like Mr. Nur Muhammad said, like I was very busy in the function, so I couldn't send the recording. I will tell you all, like I went also with my team to attend the uh, dinner party. I have managed everything. I have sent my recording in the afternoon, because I know if I'm going from 6 to 11, there will be late. So I have to manage. So you don't have to think about the excuses. Anyone can give any excuse. मेरा पेट दर्द कर रहा है, मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा था, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, मैं मार्केट चला गया था, और मुझे मतलब लेजीनेस हो रही थी. दीज ऑल आर एक्सक्यूजेस. सो हमको एक्सक्यूज नहीं देना है, हमको काम करके दिखाना है. जो एक्टिविटी है वो करके दिखाना है. एक्सक्यूज हर कोई दे देगा. अभी यहाँ पे मैं बताऊं, मिस्टर हमदान, he is like sending the recording like with consistency. लाइक एक दो दिन उनका गैप हुआ है, बाकी उनका 2 अगस्त से अभी तक कंसिस्टेंटली चल रहा है. So I can say like he is also a student, he is also a living, he is also managing, but there is no one who is consistent in the voice recording activity. Like कोई 2 दिन भेज रहा है, 2 दिन गायब है, एक दिन भेज रहा है, एक दिन गायब है. So there is one more thing. If you are going to read one book, so there is a one thing, like if you are going to do any activity consistently for 22 days, it will become your habit. किसी भी चीज को हैबिट बनाने के लिए आपको 22 दिन तक उसको कंसिस्टेंटली करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट कंसिस्टेंटली, वो तुम्हारा हैबिट बन जाएगा. फिर अगर तुम नहीं करोगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारे माइंड में आएगा कि मुझे ये एक्टिविटी करनी है, मुझे ये काम करना है. सो लेकिन हमने वो 22 दिन किया नहीं. ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो फॉर द 22 days और 1 month, it will become your habit, which will automatically remind you like this is the activity which is pending, which I have to do. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Okay, so making the habit, you have to do it consistently.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to do it consistently to make the habit. Okay, so it's all about the curiosity, like how much interested you are and how much hard work you are going to do. Okay, so I think let's start our today's class. We are going to
Yes, sir.
yes, we are going to start our new chapter today. So we are not going to waste too much time in this. Let's start. So my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. कभी कभी टाइम बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो जाता है. It's taking so much time. Okay, so this is a new chapter which we are going to start. I think earlier we have like read about this chapter, like parts of speech overview. But if I have also included in this new curriculum, so we have to follow it. Okay, and we are going to read uh, about this. Okay, so this is about the parts of speech. I think you all have the overview about it. So let's start this chapter.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
इसमें हम बहुत ज्यादा डीपली नहीं पढ़ेंगे. बस जो भी है उसको हम पढ़ करके इस चैप्टर को एंड करेंगे. ठीक है. Okay, so introduction. Who is going to read about it? Okay, wait 1 minute. So, welcome to chapter 12 of Professional Spoken English Mastery Program. Every strong speaker of English begins with one foundation stone, understanding the building blocks of a sentence. These building blocks are called the parts of speech. Whether you are introducing yourself in an interview, writing a formal email, or simply chatting with a friend, every single word you use belongs to one of 8 categories. This chapter gives you a complete, practical, and memorable understanding of all 8 parts of speech, along with a story, exercises, and error correction practice designed to make this knowledge permanent. Unlike a typical grammar lesson that only list rules, this chapter is designed the SEA way: learn, practice, and speak. You will first understand each parts of speech in detail, then read an engaging story that uses all 8 parts of speech naturally, and finally practice through 7 different exercises formats, so the concept become parts of your active speaking vocabulary, not just passive textbook knowledge. Learning objectives. So these are some learning objectives, like understand the definition and function of all 8 parts of speech, identify each part of speech correctly inside any English sentence, learn the types of subcategories within each parts of speech, and recognize and correct the 10 most common parts of speech errors made by learners, and apply this knowledge instantly in daily spoken English through practice drills, and build sentences confidently using the correct and category in the correct position. So what are parts of speech? Who is going to read it? Yes, Iram Rizvi, you can start reading like definition.
Okay, sir. What are parts of speech? Definition: parts of speech are the categories into which words are grouped according to their function in a sentence. That is, according to the job a word does when it is used in speech or writing. In English, every word we speak or write performs a specific grammatical role. A word might mean something, show an action, describe something, connect ideas, or express emotion. Based on this role, the English language classifies all words into 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. The same word can belong to different parts of speech depending on how it is used. For example, run can be a verb, I run daily, or a noun, he went for a run.
Okay, good. Important parts of speech.
Importance of parts of speech. The foundation
They
of correct.
form.
They form the foundation of correct sentence construction and grammar. They help you choose the right word form while speaking spontaneously. They improve clarity,
Spontaneously,
fluency,
spontaneously.
spontaneously.
Hmm.
They improve clarity, fluency, and confidence in spoken English. They help you avoid common grammar mistakes made by Hindi Urdu speakers. They are essential for interviews, exams, competitive exams, IELTS, TOEFL, and formal writing.
Okay, great. Thank you for reading. Let me check. Someone is trying to join the class. 1 minute.
Leave the class. Hello.
No one is there. Huh?
I am left the class because voice is not properly.
So, Mr. Hamdan, you are present there. Okay,
Yes,
you can rejoin
yes.
if
Um,
you want. Okay. Okay, I hope you got it. Whatever you read here, you got it. Okay, no need to explain more. It is easy. So now let's see a overview of the 8 parts of speech. Okay, who is going to read? Yes, Madiha, can you read it?
Overview of the 8 parts of speech. First, parts of speech: noun, function, name a person, place, thing, or idea. Example: Rahul, Mumbai, with honesty.
Okay.
Honesty.
Hmm.
Chapter
Yes.
12, parts of speech overview. Parts of speech: pronoun, function, replace a noun. Example: he, she, it, they, this. Verb: shows an action or state of being.
Shows an action.
Shows shows an action or state of being. Run, is, has, become. Adjective: describes a noun or pronoun: beautiful, tall, three, that. Adverb: describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb: quickly, very well, yesterday. Preposition: shows relationships, place, and time and direction: in, on, under, before, with. Conjunction: conjunction: join words, phrases, or clauses. And, but, because, although. Intersection: expresses sudden feeling or emotions. Wow, alas, oh, hurry.
Okay. ये क्या है? वाव, अलास, ओ, इसको क्या पढ़ा तुमने?
Hurry.
हर्रे,
Hooray, hooray,
हुर्रे है.
hooray.
Okay. Okay, so I hope you got like 8 parts of speech. वो क्या क्या है? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. और उनका काम क्या है? ये अभी एक overview था. Now we are going to deep into the noun. Okay, अभी noun के बारे में deeply पढ़ेंगे. So Mr. Hamdan is there or Mr. Hamdan is
Yes,
present?
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
Mr. Hamdan is present. So now we are going to read more about the noun. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, can you read it?
Okay. Third, noun. Definition. A noun is a word used to name a person, place, animal, thing, quality, feeling, or idea. Nouns are the most fundamental part of speech because almost every sentence needs at least one noun to identify who or what we are talking about. In spoken English, using the correct noun forms singular, plural, countable, uncountable is one of the biggest markers of fluency.
Hmm.
Type of nouns. Type meaning example. Proper noun.
मेरा भी नाम
Name a specific person, place. Example, Delhi, Shafiq, Monday. Common noun. Name a general item. Example, city, teacher, book. Collective noun. Names a group as one unit. Team, family, herd. Abstract noun. Names a quality, feeling, idea.
Noun.
Honesty, happiness, freedom. Material noun. Names of substance, material. Gold, water, cotton.
Okay. And खत्म हो गया, अनकाउंटेबल पढ़ दिए पूरा। ओ वो तो लेफ्ट हो गए मुझे लग रहा है मिस्टर हमदान। हम्म। हेलो, मिस्टर
Yes,
हमदान
sir.
इज देयर और he left the class?
Left.
Sir,
He left.
he left
लेफ्ट,
the class.
यस लेफ्ट हो गए वो। सो ही वाज रीडिंग अबाउट द नाउन। नाउन का डेफिनेशन हमने देखा और उसके बाद टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन यहाँ पे हैं 2 4 6 7। So there are seven types of noun, but some कुछ ग्रामर की बुक्स में आपको हो सकता है 5 मिले, कहीं पे 6 मिले। जस्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन आर देयर। ओके, लाइक प्रॉपर नाउन, I think you already know, like Madiha, Iram Rizvi. This is proper noun. Common noun names a general item, city, teacher, book. Collective noun, this is a group, like you can say like team, family, herd. Or abstract noun names a quality, feeling, or idea. Abstract noun, okay. Honesty, happiness, and freedom. So Mr. Hamdan is there, I think. Material noun names
Yes,
a
sir.
substance और material. Like material noun के उसी से समझ में आ रहा है कि material होगा, जैसे गोल्ड है, वाटर है, कॉटन है, ऑयल है, राइस है, ये सारा उसमें आएगा। और काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन। काउंटेबल जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं, आई थिंक यू आर अवेयर, लाइक कैन बी काउंटेड, सिंगुलर और प्लूरल। लाइक बुक, बुक्स, चेयर, चेयर्स। जिसका हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं वो काउंटेबल हो जाएगा, सिंगुलर प्लूरल। और जिसका अनकाउंटेबल, जो यू कैन नॉट काउंट इट, लाइक कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड इंडिविजुअली, लाइक वाटर, एडवाइस, इंफॉर्मेशन। Rules and examples. Like rule 1, most nouns form plurals by adding s और es। ये मतलब बहुत ही बेसिक सा रूल बताया है जो हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ रखा है, ठीक है, स्कूल में। कि मतलब सिंगुलर से प्लूरल कैसे बनाएंगे वो तो पता है आपको, एस या es लगाते हैं, ठीक है। रूल 2 क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स नेवर टेक ए एंड और ए प्लूरल एस। एंड इंफॉर्मेशन, इंफॉर्मेशन। सो यहाँ पर रूल में क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स नेवर टेक ए और एन। अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जो होगा ना उसमें ए और एन कभी नहीं लगाना है, कभी लगेगा ही नहीं, ठीक है। जैसे यहाँ पे एन इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं, इंफॉर्मेशन। और प्रॉपर नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑलवेज बिगिन विद ए कैपिटल लेटर। जो प्रॉपर नाउन होगा वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा। आर यू ऑल अवेयर? पता है ये? जैसे अगर
Yes, sir.
आप किसी भी प्रॉपर नाउन का नाम लिखोगे, जैसे आप खुद का भी लिख रहे हो, तो स्मॉल लेटर से नहीं लिखोगे, वो रॉन्ग होगा, ठीक है, कैपिटल लेटर से लिखना है। कलेक्टिव नाउन्स कैन टेक ए सिंगुलर वर्ब व्हेन ट्रीटेड एज वन यूनिट। द टीम इज प्लेइंग। टीम कलेक्टिव नाउन है, इसको सिंगुलर मान लेंगे, ठीक है। टीम में तो बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं लेकिन इसको सिंगुलर मानना है। Abstract nouns are usually formed from adjectives or verbs, like honest से honesty, acts, action. So there are some rules or examples. Okay, so this was about the noun. ये noun के बारे में था, ठीक है। I hope you got some basic knowledge about the noun. Okay, अब इसके बीच में भी आप जा सकते हो प्रॉपर नाउन। तो प्रॉपर नाउन में क्या क्या है और डीप में, ठीक है। बट वी आर जस्ट सेइंग द ओवरव्यू। सो दिस वाज अबाउट द नाउन। नाउ लेट्स अबाउट द प्रोनाउन। Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can read. I think you are facing some network issue today.
Yes.
Okay, so you can read.
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Definition. A pronoun is a word used in place of of a noun to avoid repeating it again and again. Imagine saying Rahul went to Rahul's office because Rahul had a meeting. This sounds repetitive and unnatural.
repetitive.
Repetitive and unnatural pronouns like he and his make speech smoother. Rahul went to his office because he had a meeting. Type of noun. Types, function, example.
टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन है।
Pronoun.
तो अभी हमने नाउन कंप्लीट कर लिया, अभी हम प्रोनाउन पढ़ रहे हैं, सेकंड पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, ठीक है। यस
Personal. And function refers to a specific person, thing.
सो मिस्टर हमदान, लाइक यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज प्रोनाउन? प्रोनाउन क्या होता है समझ में आ गया? सिंपल लैंग्वेज में क्या बताओगे प्रोनाउन क्या होता है?
Pronoun जो दो लोग को जोड़ता है।
फिर से पढ़ो, डिफिनेशन फिर से पढ़ो। दो लोगों को जोड़ता है या क्या है? पढ़ो फिर से।
A pronoun is a A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Avoid repeating it again and again.
हाँ, और आगे क्या है? पूरा पढ़ के बताओ क्या है। इमेजिन सेइंग राहुल वेंट टू राहुल्स ऑफिस बिकॉज राहुल हैड अ मीटिंग। दिस साउंड्स रिपीटेटिव एंड अननेचुरल। प्रोनाउंस लाइक ही एंड हिज मेक स्पीच स्मूदर। राहुल वेंट टू हिज ऑफिस बिकॉज ही हैड अ मीटिंग। क्या समझ में आया बताओ? प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? Okay, Madiha will tell. Madiha, did you understand what is the mean of pronoun? Can you tell in simple word? To just give one example and tell. What is pronoun?
A pronoun is a word that is used
I
in
think
place
that
of
अभी स्टार्टिंग में मतलब मैं किसी का नाम ले रहे कि इंसान इधर गया, लेकिन बाद में जैसे समझ लो मैं मैं अपनी एक फ्रेंड का बता रही हूँ, उसका पहले मैं नाम लूंगी और फिर बोलूंगी शी इज प्रिया गोइंग टू द कॉलेज बिकॉज शी हैड अ सम पर्सनल वर्क, ऐसा करके हम बोल सकते हैं ऐसा।
Okay, yes. Okay, good. So it means you got it. Like if you are going to use someone's name, after that
हाँ,
you are not going to use his name again and again. You are going to
yes,
use he or she or it.
yes,
This is called the pronoun,
pronoun,
जो किसी नाम की जगह पे यूज होता है। जैसे मैं बोलूंगा कि मदीहा शी इज लिविंग इन वापी। मदीहा इज लिविंग इन वापी एंड शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं मदीहा इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, मदीहा इज डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन, मदीहा इज नो, आई एम टेलिंग लाइक शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, शी इज डूइंग दिस, शी इज। सो मैं शी इज यूज कर रहा हूं, यही तो प्रोनाउन है, सिंपल। और अगर मैंने किसी लड़के का नाम लिया उसके बाद मैं मिस्टर हमदान इज लिविंग इन न्यू दिल्ली, ही इज a student, he is very intelligent, his father is living in Saudi Arabia. So what I am doing, I am avoiding Mr. Hamdan's name. Okay, मैं हमदान का नेम अवॉइड कर रहा हूं, मैं सिर्फ उसकी जगह पे कुछ तो यूज कर रहा हूं, ही और शी। ठीक है, गॉट इट मिस्टर हमदान? नाउ यू गॉट इट?
yes.
यस। क्या है प्रोनाउन, किसको बोलते हैं?
Pronoun is a word that is used in a place of a noun.
जैसे
Like example, Shad is a good boy and sorry, Shad is a good boy. He goes to school every day.
सो इसमें प्रोनाउन क्या है?
He.
यस, नाउ यू गॉट इट। अभी तुम मतलब समझ गए हो। पहले मुझे लग रहा था सो के पढ़ रहे थे तुम। सो के नहीं पढ़ना है, ठीक है, एक्टिव होके पढ़ना है कि मैं क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ वो क्या है। सो ये प्रोनाउन था, ठीक है। अभी हम प्रोनाउन के बारे में हमने सीख लिया है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन। टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन पढ़ो जल्दी जल्दी। Yes.
Okay. Personal function refers to a specific person thing. Example: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Possessive shows ownership.
Possessive pronoun.
Possessive pronoun shows ownership.
हाँ,
Ownership.
सही से तो पढ़ो.
Honor.
हाँ.
Honor.
हम्म.
Ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject. Myself, yourself, himself. Demonstrative pronoun points to something specific. These, that, these, those. Interrogative used to ask question. Who, whom, which, what. Relative connects a colleagues.
हाँ.
ये क्या लिखा है?
Clause.
Connects to a
Clause.
clause to a noun. Who, which, that, whose. Indefinite pronoun refers to noun specific person thing. Someone, anyone,
Non-specific. Noun नहीं.
non specific person thing. Someone, anyone, everybody, none.
हम्म. So these are some pronouns. Pronouns इतने सारे हैं, ठीक है. इसमें से कुछ भी आ सकता है. So सबके बारे में तुमको पता होना चाहिए. एक का एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा था, लाइक इन्होंने मदिया ने ये जैसे शी यूज किया और तुमने अभी ही यूज किया. ये था एक पर्सनल. अभी पॉसेसिव के बारे में भी है. माइन, योर्स. फिर रिफ्लेक्सिव है, माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ. डिमोन्स्ट्रेटिव है, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज. सो ये सारे हैं जिसमें अभी आप सेंटेंस में यूज करोगे तो पता चलेगा. ओके, नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. रूल्स लाइक ए प्रोनाउन must agree in number and gender with the noun it replaces, or use subject pronouns like I, he, she before a verb, object pronoun me, him, her after a verb, preposition, or myself, himself or herself are used for emphasize or when
Hello,
subject and object are the same person. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, are you saying something?
hello.
हाँ, बोलो. Who refers
आवाज
to
नहीं आ
the
रही सही से.
subject? Whom refers to the subject of a verb or preposition. Okay, we have done our grammar chapter. So tomorrow we will start from there, like verb. Okay. Now let's move on the newspaper part. Hello. So like you all are able to see all these PDFs, all these images. Image को सब लोग
Yes,
देख रहे हैं.
yes, देखा है.
ओके, किस किस चीज के बारे में आज था बताओ तो.
आज था
all
मोबाइल फोन से,
have
ग्रीटिंग कार्ड
हम्म.
और हेल्प किसी से मांगनी हो, यही
हाँ.
3 देखा है.
यस, सो दीज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, मतलब हेल्पफुल है कि नहीं.
हाँ है.
हाँ.
इससे
ओके.
सीखेंगे.
और दिस इज द क्लास रूल्स विच मिस्टर हमदान इज नॉट फॉलोइंग टुडे. ठीक है, इसमें से चौथा रूल है कि पूरी क्लास में कैमरा ऑन रखना है. तो तुमने आज एक रूल को वायलेट किया है.
I am facing some network issue.
Okay, every day you are facing some network issue. किधर गया न्यूज. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस न्यूज. ओके. यस मिस्टर हमदान, डू यू नो हु इज दिस पर्सनालिटी. इस पर्सनालिटी को पहचानते हो? अभी बताना. ये इस पर्सनालिटी को पहचानते हो? कौन है ये?
नहीं देखा है अभी.
नहीं जानते हो? ओके, मदिया विल टेल. मदिया, डू यू नो अबाउट दिस पर्सनालिटी? हु इज दिस? Don't know?
no.
Okay, Iram Rizvi will tell. Who is this Iram Rizvi? Can you tell?
Sir, our current Chief Justice of India.
Yes. So this is our CJI, Chief Justice of India. क्या नाम है इनका? सूर्यकांत. ठीक है. सो ये हमारे चीफ जस्टिस हैं. ठीक है. और ये बीबीसी में अभी एक आर्टिकल आया जिसको हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. यहाँ पे आर्टिकल क्या है, वाई इंडियन लॉ स्टूडेंट्स डोंट वांट टॉप जज एट देयर ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी। अभी इंसिडेंट क्या हुआ था कि एक यूनिवर्सिटी है, टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी, नलसार नलसार यूनिवर्सिटी हैदराबाद में, एक लॉ की बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस यूनिवर्सिटी है। सो उसमें एक ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी होनी थी, जिसमें इनको एज ए चीफ गेस्ट बुलाया गया था। सो वहां के स्टूडेंट ने प्रोटेस्ट किया कि ये नहीं आने चाहिए एज ए चीफ गेस्ट। सो डू यू नो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस, कि एक मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस है, चीफ है, उसको यूनिवर्सिटी में एज ए गेस्ट बुला रहे हैं, लेकिन वहां के स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये नहीं आने चाहिए। रीजन क्या है पता है किसी
Yes,
को?
sir.
रीजन पता है किसी
Yes,
को?
sir.
क्या रीजन है?
Sir, sir, because students were not want him to there in their convocation ceremony because he called the youth cockroaches. First reason is this, and second reason is also this, that when at Jantar Mantar protest, lathi charge was caused on students. When the Indian advocates present the cases related to this in front of him, he gave a very bad statement that
Yes.
we have no time to
Yes,
think on that type of cases. So students got so much angry. So that's why law students said that we are not want him in our convocation ceremony.
So now I hope Mr. Madiha and Hamdan, you got the answer. So this is the reason, ठीक है, कि चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहा है, उसको बुलाया जा रहा है, लेकिन वहां के लोग नहीं चाहते। यही रीजन है, मेन यही रीजन है कि कॉकरोच बोला इन्होंने यूथ को, जिसकी वजह से कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी बनी और क्या क्या हुआ वो सबने देखा। और दूसरा ये था कि जब उसका केस पहुंचा था तो इन्होंने बोला हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है सुनने के लिए। वाह। So this is the article, let's read it. So if we are reading the article, like how many benefits we are getting? First we are learning, we are aware about the world, like what's happening in India and in the world. And the second, we are improving our knowledge and also we are improving our vocabulary. So also there is one more thing, dimagi naksal. Are you all aware about the dimagi naksal? पता है किसी को?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Recently, during Independence Day speech, Modi ji mentioned that Dimagi Nasl, we have to think about them, something like that. So people form a new party and name that Dimagi Nasl.
Yes. So our today's topic is, what is dimagi naksal? What is the what happened behind it? How this statement came? Okay. So let's start this news. Okay. Don't waste too much time. Why Indian law students don't want top judge at their graduation ceremony? So this is okay. Chief Justice Surya Kant has recently made comments that have agreed India's youth. India's top judges often make news for their rulings or pronunciations on weighty matters of law. Yes, Iram, you can start reading from there. But Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant,
Okay, sir.
it is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Clearly visible.
Okay. Yes.
But Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, has recently made headlines for comments that have angered the youth and in recent days prompted students from two premier legal universities to demand that he should not be invited to be the chief guest at their convocations. The current now started on 23rd July when dozens of outgoing students from Nalsar University of Law in the southern city of Hyderabad wrote an email to the college authorities asking the CGI Khan should not be invited to preside over their passing out ceremony. The demand has since been supported by about 450 of the university. 1,400 students, including many juniors. The
Okay.
invitation
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Iram Rizvi. It's done. Yes, Madiha, you can start reading from there. The invitation of the Chief Justice is
The invitation to the Chief Justice is in keeping with
tradition.
and for tradition and for aspiring lawyers for the presence of the country's top judge at their con- convocations is usually seen as a matter of pride, but Nalsar students were upset over reports that a day earlier the Chief Justice had turned down a request to hold urgent hearings on police brutality during the 20 July Parliament march led by the Cockroach Janata Party (CJP) in Delhi. Kant has since said he was misquoted.
Okay. Yes, done. It was good, Madiha. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, now you can read from there. In fact, the CJP's birth.
In fact, the CJP's birth was also rooted in a
Remark attributed.
attributed to the Chief Justice amid reports that he had used terms like parasites and cockroaches to describe some youth. Kant had said he was most misquoted,
Misquoted.
misquoted them too.
Yes.
The crackdown against CJP protesters in the heart of the capital city where police and parliament were seen attacking and beating up
Paramilitaries were seen.
uh,
Paramilitaries. Paramilitaries.
paramilitaries. Paramilitaries were seen attacking and beating up unarmed students who were demanding education reform with bat-
Batons.
batons, wooden sticks, and tear gas had shocked Indians and made global headlines. At least four youth had also sustained field gun injuries in what was described as the first time such guns were used in the capital city for crowd control.
Okay, yes, Mr. Hamdan, it was good. Amazing. Great. So let's understand this news, okay? Hmm? Yes, this is from there. So why Indian law students don't want top judge at their graduation ceremony? I think the heading is clear for everyone. हेडिंग में कोई ऐसा वर्ड है जो डिफिकल्ट है? हाँ, डिफिकल्ट दिख रहा है किसी को? बताओ जल्दी से, नहीं समझ में आया तो बताओ. लाइक वाई इंडियन लॉ स्टूडेंट, इंडिया के जो लॉ स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो क्यों नहीं चाहते हैं टॉप जज को उनके ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी में, जो फंक्शन होगा ग्रेजुएशन का उसमें क्यों नहीं चाह रहे हैं? ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes.
I have sent the vocabulary so you can see the meaning also. Okay, कॉन्वोकेशन का मीनिंग था. सेरेमनी का मीनिंग पता है? सेरेमनी क्या है? हाँ, यस नो, जल्दी बोलो, टाइम नहीं है ज्यादा.
Yes, sir.
और दूसरे लोगों को, मदिया को पता है सेरेमनी का मीनिंग क्या है? So ceremony simply means see the pronunciation first.
Ceremony.
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 Ceremony, a formal public और religious event. ठीक है, कोई भी एक फॉर्मल इवेंट होगा उसको सेरेमनी बोलते हैं. वो शादी सेरेमनी भी हो सकता है, वो जैसे ग्रेजुएशन का एक इवेंट होगा जिसमें जितने भी ग्रेजुएटेड लोग हैं उनको एक मतलब सर्टिफिकेट और ये सारी दी जाती है, तो उसको सेरेमनी बोल दिया. मतलब कोई भी इवेंट होगा, ठीक है, ए फॉर्मल पब्लिक इवेंट, उसको हम सेरेमनी बोलते हैं. सिंपल, क्लियर? हाँ. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, what is the mean of ceremony?
जो कोई इवेंट होता है जैसे
फॉर्मल पब्लिक इवेंट, ठीक है, ठीक है, सिंपल। देख लो, इनका चेहरा मत भूलना। ये चीफ जस्टिस सूर्यकांत हैज रिसेंटली मेड कमेंट्स दैट हैव एंगर्ड इंडियाज यूथ, ठीक है। इन्होंने एक कमेंट बोला था, या मतलब बोला था, जिसने इंडिया की यूथ को मतलब गुस्से में डाल दिया, ठीक है। India's top judges often make news for their rulings or pronunciations on weighty matters of law. So यहाँ पे कुछ words हैं जैसे weighty matters of law. Let's see the meaning of this. India's top judges often make news for their rulings. कभी कभी न्यूज बनाते हैं रूलिंग्स में weighty matters of law. क्या मीनिंग है इसका? Let's see. Weighty matters refers to topics of serious importance. Okay, so weighty matters का मीनिंग है मतलब सीरियस टॉपिक्स, ठीक है। उसके बारे में है कि इंडिया के जो टॉप जजेस हैं वो कभी कभार वो न्यूज में आते हैं अपने मतलब जो भी वो रूल कर रहे हैं, जो पोजीशन पे हैं, उसकी वजह से मतलब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मतलब टॉपिक्स पे वो कुछ ऐसा बोलते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो न्यूज में रहते हैं। सिंपल मतलब इसका मीनिंग यही है। गॉट इट? समझ में आया? इट इज क्लियर और नॉट? प्लीज टेल।
एक बार और बता दो, एक बार और, वन मोर टाइम।
वन मोर टाइम। इंडिया टॉप जजेस, इंडिया के जो टॉप जजेस है ना, वो कभी कभार न्यूज में और हेडलाइंस में वो मतलब बने रहते हैं। क्यों बने रहते हैं? क्योंकि वो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पे ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं, ठीक है, मतलब जिस पे डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है। तुम कंट्रोवर्सी बोल सकते हो कि कंट्रोवर्सी में रहते हैं ऐसा कुछ बोल करके, ठीक है, यही मीनिंग है उसका। बट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया सूर्यकांत हैज रिसेंटली मैड हेडलाइंस। लेकिन चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया सूर्यकांत, उन्होंने अभी 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 एक हेडलाइन बनाया है फॉर कमेंट्स दैट हैव एंगर्ड द यूथ। अभी एक कमेंट मतलब वो हेडलाइन में आए हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने इंडिया के यूथ को गुस्से में डाल दिया, उन्होंने गुस्सा कर दिया। एंड इन रिसेंट डेज हाँ prompted students from two premier legal universities to demand that he should not be invited to be the chief guest at their convocation। और उनको मतलब ऐसा माना गया है कि अभी टॉप मतलब कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज के स्टूडेंट ने मतलब उनको बोला मतलब उनका डिमांड जो है वो खत्म कर दिया है कि यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं आने चाहिए, ठीक है। उनको एज ए चीफ गेस्ट कन्वोकेशन में ना बुलाया जाए, ठीक है, उनको नहीं बुलाया जाना चाहिए। द करेंट रॉ स्टार्टेड। रॉ का मीनिंग हमने एक बार देखा था। रॉ का मीनिंग क्या है, किसी को याद है? Does anyone know what is the meaning of raw? Raw, a line of proper, मतलब जो भी कंट्रोवर्सी चलती है ना उसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है। रॉ ऐसे तो लाइन होता है, लाइन ऑफ पीपल और थिंग, ए रॉ और बुक्स, ए लाइन ऑफ सीट फ्रंट सिनेमा। जो भी कंट्रोवर्सी होती है ना उसको रॉ बोलते हैं। द करेंट रॉ, अभी जो करंट कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, स्टार्टेड ऑन 23 जुलाई, 23 जुलाई को स्टार्ट हुई है। व्हेन डजन्स ऑफ आउट गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स, जब मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों ने स्टूडेंट्स ने फ्रॉम नलसार यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लॉ इन द सदर्न सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद, हैदराबाद के नलसार यूनिवर्सिटी से मतलब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने रॉट एन ईमेल टू द कॉलेज अथॉरिटीज, उन्होंने कॉलेज अथॉरिटीज को मेल लिखा asking that CJI Kant should not be invited to preside over their passing out ceremony, कि CJI कांत को ना बुलाया जाए, उनको इनवाइट ना किया जाए अभी जो कन्वोकेशन या सेरेमनी होने वाली है ग्रेजुएशन की उसमें। द डिमांड हैज सिंस बीन सपोर्टेड बाय अबाउट 450 ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज, 450 यूनिवर्सिटी के 1400 स्टूडेंट, 1400 1400 स्टूडेंट इंक्लूडिंग मैनी जूनियर्स, बहुत सारे जूनियर को भी मिला करके, मतलब ऐसा मेल किया और उसमें इतने लोगों ने उसको सपोर्ट किया, ठीक है, कि हाँ नहीं आनी चाहिए। द इन्विटेशन ऑफ टू द चीफ जस्टिस इज in keeping with tradition and for aspiring lawyers. The presence of the university of the country's top judge at the convocation is usually seen as a matter of pride. So जो इनविटेशन था टू द चीफ जस्टिस इज कीपिंग विथ ट्रेडिशन, कि वो मतलब जो भी इनवाइट है चीफ जस्टिस का, उसको एक ट्रेडिशन के साथ रखा जाए, एंड फॉर एस्पायरिंग लॉयर्स, और जो ऐसे लॉयर्स हैं जिसको देख करके लोग एस्पायर हों, ठीक है। एस्पायरिंग मीन पता है क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एस्पायरिंग लॉयर्स? सी, एस्पायर, to have a strong desire to have or do something. Aspire it means कि कोई ऐसा किसी इंडस्ट्री में कोई हो जिसको देख करके लोग एस्पायर हो, कि मतलब मुझे भी उनकी तरह बनना है, ठीक है। गॉट इट? समझ में आया? एस्पायरिंग लॉयर्स, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कंट्रीज टॉप जजेस, हाँ, कंट्री के टॉप जजेस का प्रेजेंस एट देयर कन्वोकेशन, उनके कन्वोकेशन में होना चाहिए। इसका मतलब सिंपली यहाँ पे क्या बोलना चाह रहा है कि जो सीजेआई है वो एस्पायरिंग लॉयर नहीं है ना। देयर कन्वोकेशन इज यूजुअली सीन एज मैटर ऑफ प्राइड, क्योंकि उसको मैटर ऑफ प्राइड देखा जाए, मतलब उसको एज मतलब एक अच्छा, प्राइड मतलब क्या होता है पता है ना? व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ प्राइड? आई एम फीलिंग प्राइड, the feeling of pleasure that you have when you or people who are close to you do something good or on something good, ठीक है। फीलिंग, कोई आ रहा है क्या इधर? प्राइड,
नहीं नहीं,
फख्र महसूस करना, कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है कुछ, बताओ। प्राइड का मीनिंग मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, कोई बता ही नहीं रहा है। मैटर ऑफ प्राइड, वो मतलब फख्र के साथ मतलब समझा जाए कि ये गेस्ट है, ओके। तो अभी सीजीआई को एज ए फख्र कोई नहीं ले रहा है, ठीक है। सो नाउ आई थिंक यू गॉट इट। जो भी वर्ड है वो अभी ग्रुप में भी है, उसको आपको खुद से ले करके भी समझना है, ठीक है। सो इट इज क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन नाउ? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
यस सर, कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ और कुछ समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है वो भी नहीं बोल रहा है कोई, कि नहीं इसका
Sir, बोला
मीनिंग।
तो नहीं, sir.
हाँ
Sir, I said yes, sir.
हाँ, okay. So I think like if I'm going to say like you have to be an attentive, because after that I'm going to ask some question, then you are going to focus, otherwise no one is going to focus. Okay, so now we have completed the news reading part, and we are going to move on the speaking part now. Okay, yes. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, what is our today's topic? Do you know or
the
you don't
role
know?
of book in gaining knowledge.
Huh?
The role of books in gaining knowledge.
Okay.
Gain
Yes.
knowledge.
Yes. So, hello everyone. I'm going to just briefly introduce about the topic, like the role of books in gaining knowledge. Okay, this is our today's topic. So you have to start speaking on this particular topic. I hope you have your own pointers. You have prepared about this topic earlier. So hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak on this particular topic. So first, I would like to tell like the role of books in gaining knowledge. So suppose if you want to know anything about anything, like you don't know something like a microscope, so from where you are going to read about it? What is the main source of taking the knowledge? The main source is Google, or the main source is AI tools, or the main source is social media. What is the main source to know about something? The main source is the books, because if someone is telling about anything, like someone is giving the speech, the main source of his speech is also books. So the rule of books in gaining knowledge it is simply means like this is the main source, which is book. We can learn anything from the book, and this is the authorized thing. Like if you are going to see, or you are going to learn something from the book, you can cite it, you can give the source of it. And always, like there are multiple categories of books, like you want to read about the about the history. There are history books, geography books, politics books, law books, mathematics books, and multiple languages books. So always from the from the previous time, if you have to learn something, if you have to gain the knowledge, the main source is book. There is no alternative of the book, can't be any alternative. Like also chat gpt, if you're going to ask any question from the ai tools, it is also giving the answers from the books. Like whatever the books are uploaded on the internet, he is just taking the knowledge, and it is providing us. So the main source or rule gaining knowledge is book. You have to learn anything, you have to just refer to the book. There is no alternative. So you have to just speak on this topic, whatever you have prepared, or whatever the pointers you have. So yes, let's start. I think you have lots of points with you. Start speaking. Who is going to start today first?
Sir, may I?
Okay, yes, you can start, Iram.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic, the role of books in gaining knowledge. So basically, we all heard one of the beautiful quote about books, that is, books are best friends. Yes, books are our best friend because books always help us in gaining knowledge, and because of books we are aware of so many things. Books play very essential role in our life. Books are so many types. Some books were academic, some based on journal knowledge, some based on astrology, and other books are in the form of novels and journals, etc. But all books are good source of but all books are good source of knowledge because they help us to gain knowledge and give a chance to explore different kind of fields. Like we also learn languages from books, for example English, Hindi, Urdu, and so many other things. Many people love to read books in their free time, and those type of books are different from academic books. They are based on fiction, romance, and horror thing. Horror. Some books are very other because people who loves reading books have different kind of mindset. They are always curious about things, and they are very intelligent and know so many things other than others. So basically books are very important for us, and when we opt the habit of reading, we improve our vocabulary, our reading speed, and also we know how to frame the sentence structure and so many things. Books become the most important source of knowledge because in today's world we also have AI and Google, but a book is something else because from a book we got authentic things. No doubt AI and Google also gave good information, but sometimes they made mistake. But in books things are more accurate in many cases. There are only exceptional chances where we find anything wrong, but in most cases books are very important. And importance of books we can see in every religion. Like in our religion we have Quran, and in Hindus they have so many other books like Mahabharat and others, and in Christians they have Bible. So this shows that book is something which
have importance from the ancient time period. Those people who have who know importance of knowledge and reading books, we find about their life journey that they love to read books. There are so many personalities who written their own books. So this is all about the topic. And in conclusion, I just have to say that reading book is a good habit. uh, it doesn't mean that you are only stuck with your academic books. We have to explore other books based on different subjects. In this way we got so many knowledge about other fields also. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Iram Rizvi. It was great and amazing speech you have given. So I have listened to your speech very closely, and I didn't find any error or grammatical mistakes. And you are speaking very well. Like yes, if you are going to practice every day, so also you are going to speak fluently. Okay, and also now you are fluent. So like you told earlier, like I'm not giving any review today. I listened and it was amazing and fantastic. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I leave?
Okay, so who will listen to Madhya and Hamdan? You
Sir,
have to
because
listen. Okay, you have to listen. Otherwise Madhya will speak and she will say like I have to also leave. Then Mr. Hamdan will be there alone. So please just give 4 minutes. Then we will end our class today at 10:30. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes. Who is going to start speaking? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Madhya. Yes, start.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Hello
salam.
everyone. I am Madhya Chaudhary and today I want to talk about the role of books is gaining knowledge. We all live in the age of we using mobiles, phones, YouTube and Google and ChatGPT. But even today, books are very important. Uh, a book is a friend that never leaves us. A book and a book are teachers that never gets tired. And for example, if you want to learn about space, a YouTube video will show you planets, but a book on space will explain how stars are born, how black holes work, and what scientists think about the future. Is like school books teach us math, science, history, and stories books teach us moral values like honesty and self help books teach us how to be confident and successful. Our focus becomes better. Reading 20 pages need attention, and and also our vocabulary become better. We learn new words, and our imagination become better when we read a story every day. We make a pictures in our mind. Books are just not for exams. Books are for life. If we learn and understand books. Thank you.
Okay, very amazing and fantastic speech, Madiha, you have given, and I have also listened to your speech very closely. Yes, there are some little mistakes, which is not huge, and you are going to improve it by time. Okay, only errors like in present indefinite, like with the what verbs you are going to use, so you have to use like ses. Okay, and everything was good and amazing. And I would like to tell about the yesterday's feedback. Yesterday you talk about the women empowerment. So I have seen some error about the women pronunciation. Okay, I have given the feedback. I don't know you all are reading about your feedback and you are applying it on the next recording or not. Are you doing it or not? Yes, Madhya, I'm talking with you.
I do.
Okay, so what was my feedback in last recording?
Um, speak confidence and loud.
Okay, there was one
Isn't
mistake in women empowerment. You were saying like women empowerment, but this is women empowerment. If you are going to pronounce the plural, you have to say women. In singular, women. It is clear? So
okay?
you have to go on Google and search and listen it. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can start.
Okay,
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good
Walaikum
evening,
salam.
everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Today I am going to speak about the role of books in gaining knowledge. First thing, and books are very important in our daily life because they help us learn many new things, and you can learn about science, history, nature, people, and different countries from books, all books. And books are also very helpful for students because they help us understand our lesson and prepare for exams. And when we read books, we learn new words and improve in English vocabularies. And reading also help us speak and write better. And books improves our thinking to understand new ideas, to make good decisions. And storybooks also improve our imagination. And there are many kinds of books like science, history, and storybooks and other books. And we should choose good and useful books to read. Like, you can read easy to hard. Like, first you can read stories book. And reading book is a very good habit. And I am trying to read I am trying to this habit. And free time and spendings of free time, all free times on mobile phones. No, we can free time read a useful books. And in my opinion, book are like our best friend because they help us learn something new in our life. Thank you.
Okay, so it's done, Mr. Hamdan.
Yes.
Okay, it was amazing and great. You are also speaking very well. Mr. Hamdan has improved a lot. Yes, you are also making a little mistakes, which is not huge. Okay, if you are going to read the tense and you have to just focus on it, that's little mistake. Okay, like books are our friend, and you said like they help us a lot. If you are referring to a book, so this is like non-living thing. It helps us to gain knowledge. Okay, so there are some little mistakes which you will improve by speaking every day. Okay, so like I would like to
Okay.
say, be consistent in the voice recording activity. And that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum. Good night. Tomorrow we will meet inshallah. Thank you.
Inshallah. Thank you. Assalamu
Okay, Mr.
alaikum.
Hamdan, you can be there. Iram Rizvi and Madhiya Chaudhary, you can skip. You can quit the class.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Mr. Hamdan, I would like to say you one thing. अरे मदिहा क्यों नहीं जा रही है? अभी जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है क्या?
नहीं मुझे सुनना है क्या बोल रहे
अरे
हो?
रे 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 रे. Okay. So, Mr. Hamdan, I would like to appreciate you. You are going to receive the award this month, inshallah. Just you have to be consistent, okay? This was the appreciation. And also, you are going to deliver a speech in front of the guest. I am inviting one guest on within 2 or 3 days, like 24. Yes, let's see 22 or 23. So you are also going to be a champion voice recording champion student in our class, and you will speak some valuable words in front of the guest, okay? And also you are going to receive the award, which I will send you on your address. And the second thing, if you are going to take the leave for more than 3 days, so you have to write one formal mail. I will send you the mail. You have to write the mail from which date you are going to absent from the class, कितने दिन से कितने दिन तक गायब रहोगे, छुट्टी चाहिए, वो मेल में मुझे फॉर्मल भेजना, ठीक है? दैट्स इट, बस इतना ही है। और मदीहा को मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंट इन द वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग एक्टिविटी इफ यू ऑल्सो नीड इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड गिफ्ट।
कैसे मेल पे भेजूं?
हाँ,
मेल पे कैसे भेजूं?
मेल पे कैसे भेजना है, मैं ईमेल आईडी भेजता हूँ ना तुमको।
ठीक है।
हाँ, ईमेल आईडी भेजता हूँ, मेल पे